What's up, I'm Troubleshoot. In this quick guide, I'll be showing you how to complete under faction quests and per and forest guardians, the Desert's Edge maze, which hasn't activated just yet, but it'll bring you across to this location on the map, zooming out even further still in between Crimson Desert, Pale Yoon, all the way straight above Demonis over here. If we zoom into this top river area here, you'll find this top lake is where we need to head to the center of. Now, this celestial maze I have covered in a previous guide, and you don't necessarily need to solve it, but essentially you'll be using the Axiom Force, grabbing onto these, and then using the Force Current ability in order to flip the status from sun to moon or back. And in the center, right over here, you'll be able to essentially see which ones need to be flipped and not until you eventually get this. But you don't need to solve this puzzle in order to complete this quest. What we'll do is we'll navigate towards the little cloud for this quest, which is this upper lake area, and we'll be navigating basically to the bottom of it over here. So if I put a marker in that position and climb on top of the walls, it'll bring us across to this area here, where there's a very steep drop down here on this other side, leading to some mushrooms and a glowing light over there. We'll drop down into this gap here, and at the bottom of this, to the southern side, this little gap that leads down further. I'll stand directly in the center of this and pull up the map so you can see exactly where I am over here. This is where we're heading, and from this area we just drop down into, looking straight towards the northwest, so not left, not right, but straight. We can head in here. Just to the right is where we'll meet the person that we're looking for. I don't think you can drop in above here. You might be able to, but this is where we are. We can speak to them and get this part of the quest ticked off. But yeah, that's it. Hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Mine's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.